Hello everyone. I hope you're doing well. Let me check sounds quickly. Okay. Everything's fine. Hello Primus. Hello. Okay guys. Today we're gonna talk about, as always, about like cryptocurrency, about like forex market. Especially we're gonna check DXI, Euro, like Australian dollar, because like lately he's been like, it's been acting super cool, and as you can see here we have like this is small range. Of course we're gonna talk about like gold and setups that we've been playing like lately. What else? Indexes and like oil. Also, if you have like any questions regardless like what I will be talking about, regardless pairs that you want me like to check, because I have like some time today, I can stream like even longer than usually. Just let me know. Okay, so first of all, we're going to talk about like Bitcoin. We will start like from weekly chart, and here, as you can see, we took this major high, and probably what we can see, and we will see some like retracement. Can we keep going higher till all-time high, which is nearby 69,000, exactly 69,000 on the futures? Yes, we can, but before it we have like some zones such as like fair value gaps right this, and some order blocks, and like this probably like on daily on maybe like 4 hours, 12 hours we have like mitigation block, so it will be a hard way to keep going higher. So we have like two options, like actually like three options right now. So first of all, we will keep going like higher till all-time high, maybe have like some rebalance in this fair value gap. Second options, we will slowly bleed like this, maybe we'll have some kind of range. So we will start like smart money will start like building some positions here, and third option, we will start like nuking. It will be aggressive like sell. It will be like huge like shakeout on all alts. And hello city, hello. So it will be huge sellouts on the alts, maybe like 30-40% drop. So nobody in long position will be able to like hold this position, because it's a massive like drop. And then we will keep going like further. I want to show you like some examples of it, of this like shakeouts. It was on SFP, if I'm not mistaken, the clearest one. Yeah, something like this. You see like this crazy shakeouts with like, let me check delta, with like 24% delta. One more shakeout like this, right? And price went up like further. If we open like any coin, like to be honest, like S&T, it was a really nice one on Sui. Yeah, so if we open like 4 hours, so it's been like some shakeouts like this, and price went up further. Was one more shakeout like this one. Let me check delta. Like 20%, 20, like 30-40%. So we might see like shakeout like this to take all liquidity down and then pump. It's possible, and this is I have already like set my limit orders to like buy like these drops. Like I can show you this. Which chart I expect to drop the most? Just you'd like to understand. Just I want you to like understand a few things. I don't and DPS, a guy I'm working with in Discord, we don't like short when it's like clear uptrend. So this one, it's a clear uptrend. So market right now bullish. We have bull run. So this is just the beginning of bull run, by the way. This is just the beginning. So this is just like smaller beginning of bull run. By the way, like if you open Solana, you will see like exactly the same pattern. So this is this coin probably will go to like $50 by the end of this year. Just saying. So I have like short position, like small short position. I just like play with this money on on BTC right now, and I'm short only BTC. I don't short anything else. I have like my long positions and I have my long-term like investment. On like few days ago, like if you follow our Twitter, I posted. Let me. Yeah. So I posted this. Let me send it in a free chat. This one. Oh, by the way, I forgot to. Let me quick. Okay, so yeah, so you can see it in the free chat. By the way, like if you wanna join our Discord channel, this is the link for it. Hello, Johnny. Hello, Johnny. And also, guys, don't forget to like the stream so and other people will be able to find it. Please like the stream. Like the stream. Like if you don't want to subscribe, it's okay, but subscribe and like it would have been amazing. So this is like 5 coins that will perform like the best in this, like in 2024, maybe 2025, like Sui, as I show you, ARB, Tia, Pepe, ICP. So this is like 5 coins. We have like a list of more coins, but this is like basically core of our like portfolio. And if you wanna build some portfolio, do it. I don't recommend you to open some like futures like long position, just like buy spot. Hello, Enrico. Hello. Just like buy some spot and just hold it. For example, I bought spot on ARB right here. I've been accumulating here for a long time. Right now, I almost like more than doubled like my position right now on ARB. My next play will be this one, this coin. I'm like very bullish on it. I messages to buy it like around like 11 cents. This is like one of the calls that we have in our spot calls. This is like our like spot call, and I said about BIM. Yeah, this is what I've been calling like to buy it around 16. I told everyone to buy about like let's say like 1.5 cents, right? 1.5 cents. 1.5 cents. It was this week, this one, and from my entry, it went up already 100%. So I've been calling, and also I've been telling like a lot of people like on the stream to buy it. Anyway, so we're not about talking about like what I did and what I'm planning to do now. No. All our calls, by the way, you can be found right here, like in our Discord channel. By the way, if you want to get like VIP access, you can feel free to open tickets. This one we have a huge discount. Like anyone who will buy membership like tonight, I will give like 30% discount, whatever. So let's get back to BTC. So if we have like shakeouts, it will be fast, painful, but as it will be signaled like to start like buying heavily. If like Bitcoin will start like dropping slow, so it's gonna be like second options. We will have like some slow pullback like this. We have like slow pullback like for 3-5 months. Then alts will start pumping because liquidity from BTC will start moving to alts, and this is gonna be like hard like to catch, but mostly it's gonna be like breakout play, like chess guy like sent like perfect example of it. Yeah, no, where is it? Yeah, this is a perfect example, like just cup and handle, like trend line breakout, tons of liquidity, and went up like 100%. Perfect play. This is like perfect example how it's supposed to be. Another example, H&T, like this one. Perfect example. You have to look like for setups like this, and on high time frame, so like 4 hours, like daily. If you're looking for setups like this, I will guarantee you will have 90% win rate. Just for example, we had a free call on the Zen. Just look at this, 2 days, huge amount of liquidity, just huge, and it's not over yet. Let's open Zen and I will show you. Like on a daily time frame, we have shit ton of liquidity right now. This is just like breakout. This play might take like a long time to play, long time, right? A long time. It's not accurate how I draw, but still, you can see. You can see how this like played out. You could have like find like better entry here, like this. No, like this. Like this. You see like this breakout on a daily, right? And how it pumped. It pumped almost like 45%. And this is not over yet. Our entry was like right here. So anyway, this is like this is what we expect from crypto. So I will repeat. Maybe velocity, maybe yeah, it will go like up and hits in some weeks, but we'll see. Maybe, but we have to, yeah, something like this. It can happen, something like this one. Exactly the same. Before, like we're going like lower, right? This is like best example how it happened. We went up, took some liquidity, and then went down. But the problem is, if we're talking about like this situation, you see like this high wasn't taken. So if people been open like short position right on this candle, like on January 9th and 10th, it was a mistake because major high wasn't taken, right? And right here major high is taken, and fair value gaps is not important like for Bitcoin. That's the best example of it. This one. This is a bearish. This is like bearish fair value gap, and you can see it just like was completely ignored, right? Fuck, another example. Where was it? Probably this one. 7% now. Don't remember. No, it's like too far. Let me see. It was consolidation. I just don't remember. No. So there was a drop by like 15% in one day. It's the middle of the year, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it was in the middle of the year. This one, yeah, this one. This one. Probably this one, yeah. You see, like this fair value gap, it was like completely ignored. Like, the problem with Bitcoin, like crypto in general, what we noticed, crypto in general is completely disagree. It just ignores like smart money. So smart money, like more like about like Forex and indexes, right? And also stocks, like really nice. For like stock market, it's really nice like to use like smart money concept. For cryptocurrency, it's a classic technical analysis and vertical spread analysis. So it's like based on like volume, like volume profiles, like volume in general, like how like candles like break out. It's also like bar analysis, etc., etc. So Forex is like best for smart money concept. So let's like move to Forex. So first of all, if you want to trade Forex, the main indicator like of Forex, especially like USD pairs, is just DXI. So if you don't look at DXI, and if people like tell you no, DXI is trash, blah blah blah, like I don't look at DXI, it's like for like it means they have a like big misunderstanding about like Forex market in general, because half of my setups that I took were based on DXI. And this is a perfect example of like indicator, and also good instrument like for you if you don't understand like what's going on like with euro or like another USD pair, yeah, and just have a look on it. It will give you some how it's called like in English, I forgot this word, a clue, probably. Yeah, probably clue. Yeah, it gives like some clues to identify like where the market will go. Also, for example, for when I trade the euro, sometimes it has like SMT divergence with DXI. So previous like daily high or previous daily low on DXI can be taken, right? But on euro not. And you see like many times it was like a few pips like left like till previous like daily low and high like on euro taken, but it went up. But on DXI it was taken in and like reverses the situation. On euro it's taken, on DXI it's not taken. It calls simply divergence, and this is also really good indicator for you like to like understand that market like reverse, and you have to change your like position and open like different position to open opposite direction. So this is one thing that you have to know. About like DXI, like we start always like with weekly time frame. So what happened? We just like tapped into this like monthly fair value gap. There's a huge fair value gap on the monthly time frame. So before like next move, we have to like rebalance here. It can take like a few weeks, and I will show like why I think we'll have here. So first of all, you see like how bearish these candles are. So we have a lot of wicks like on the top of the candle. Then we go moving on a daily time frame. So let me see this. Let me hide some drawings. Yeah, I don't see like anything here. No gaps left. Okay. only one gap here, but it's not relevant. Then we move into like 3 days. What we can see here on 3 days, this gap was tested. Like everything been tested here. Let's move on the daily time frame. This is like sell to buy. By the way, this is like sell to buy zone. So like smart money, like smart capital, they like selling, start like selling asset before like next move up, because they need to build like some liquidity for like next like up. And also, as you can see here on a daily time frame, we had this volume fair value gap, this one. Yeah, like price action is really good for crypto too. So, but it's like it's a mix with like vertical. We use like mix with vertical spread analysis, with like a bit like smart money, classic technical analysis, and bar analysis, and like price action as well. What we have here, we have the huge like sell pressure here. When candle closes like this, it calls like immediate like rebalance. We also like tapped into this like fair value gap, tested it and closed like lower. So the next target probably we also like tested this fair value gap, like this volume fair value gap. Next target can be this like sell to buy zone, right? Also we have volume fair value gap here, and the thing is DXY always closes its gaps, always. You can just like have a look right here, it's always all like fair value gaps have been tested, and we always receive like some reaction of it. Like sell to buy is not very important zone, so it's not price. I noticed like that recently price is not like reverse in the zones, and so it doesn't want to reverse like in the zone, like it's like 50-50, sometimes reverse, sometimes not, just like just point of interest, like where I can expect like the price to have some reaction. So if I see price like to comes like to sell to buy or buy to sell zone, and I see like some reverse like pattern like this, yes, I can enter like position. If I don't see it, okay, I'd like stay aside. But for DXY, I prefer to play based on like fair value gaps, and as you can see here, it always like gives like some nice reaction with it. This is what we had like here when we like pumped out of this like daily fair value gap and went into this monthly, and we also like tapped into this like fair value gap on the daily time. It's a volume fair value gap, and then we went like down. So we still have this like with this gap that also been tested. So what we can see here, probably some let me go on lower time frames. I've already got reaction of it, and we tested, so maybe something like this, and then we'll keep going lower. If we have like some manipulation and just like take liquidity from here, and then we will reverse, and this specifically this bar will be taken, and I won't see any like bullish action out of this loss, then I will be consider opening a long position on the euro. So let's open euro. So first of all, like on the daily, same like same picture like we've seen on the XI, but opposite, right? And we have like huge amount of this like volume fair value gaps on the weekly time frame. So all those gaps has to be tested. So I expect price like to like reverse and go right here. Do we have zones lower? No. if we have a look, we don't have only one. We have only one zone, this fair value gap, and we have like these lows. What can happen? We can like dive in one more time and then reverse. But consider like the last daily candle, I don't think it will happen. So I expect like next week to be bullish. Okay, so this is the euro. On British pound we have like pretty much the same picture. Let me see. On the weekly time frame, we still have some zones like lowers. It has to be tested, especially this order block. This order block. And this like fair value gap. And this fair value gap on the weekly time frame. Let's go on a daily. Yeah, this zone will like give us some reaction for sure. We also have this liquidity, but we have to see what news we have. We have news like on Wednesday and Thursday, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, we have a weekend on Thursday, February 22nd. We have this equal lows, we have a lot of liquidity up here. It's kind of hard. Like on euro we have a clearer picture, by the way. We have clearer picture on euro. And this fair value gap been tested already. We can stack into range. Let me go on a low time frame. We can stack into range and then with like top down, like to take this liquidity and test the fair value gap. It's kind of bearish in my opinion. I don't like this liquidity. I'm like all of this liquidity. It's like kind of just lucrative target for bears. But the thing is, like this fair value gap, it's been tested. It's already enough. I have to like look how week will open on GBP. I don't like this liquidity build, because last time we had this liquidity build, this is what happened. And if you've been with me and like in our Discord for a long time, I've been yelling this will be taken, and it was taken. The funniest part. But the thing is, we have this equal highs as next target. And this probably will be next target. But before we go like further, we have to invalidate and go above like this high. Until we go like above like this high, I'm a bearish, because we have previous weekly low. It will be February 12, 18. So this will be low for next week. This will be high on next week. So we will open in the middle of this range basically. So on GBP I wouldn't open like any position so far, because this will be previous weekly low. This will be previous daily low. So if we go like till previous daily low, we will will go lower to at least this low, because going higher we don't have any liquidity except this one, this equal highs and previous monthly high. Yeah, I would wait and we'll see like reaction. If we will open bearish, and also we'll be looking at DXI, how DXI will be open on next week. By the way guys, don't forget to like the stream so other people will be able to find it. So this is a very lucrative target, and yeah, I'm kind of bearish on GBP. We just had deviation here on Australian dollar, so it's Vikov clearly. Had deviation here, we were gonna drop, we went like down. My short position, by the way, a really nice one. And we just like test, we had deviation again, so I'm bearish on Australian dollar. So if you wanna open short position, this is gonna be like your short, and 1 to 2 till the lows. Really nice trade, by the way. I will leave it here so you can see. Yeah, really nice one, by the way, really nice one. All highs been taken, like tested this fair value gap for like a bit, and then like I got like reaction. So yeah, we probably will go like lower, like 0.5% for Australian dollars, like nothing. Okay, let's go gold. We just got reaction out of this break here. Let's start like from weekly. We're still in range, by the way. Like a lot of people didn't believe me when I said we'll go lower. Well, one guy, Forex, he said we will update these highs. I said he was wrong, he didn't believe me. Well, as a result, he like got a couple stops. Anyway, let's go like on a daily. What we can have here, just like go like higher to like these highs or equal highs, and then we'll go lower again with next target 90.72. I posted analysis on the gold last week and a week before. I'm like very like extremely bearish on the gold, especially when we have like this gap has to be filled, and my final target will be this equal lows. After we reach this equal lows, it's about like 1.8k. We will keep we will reverse and we'll go to all-time high again. It will be like finish of this like 2 years of consolidation. By the way, this is a huge range. We had just deviation on the bottom, then we had deviation on the top, and right now we'll have to rebalance. We might have one more deviation, I don't know how long it will take, maybe like 1-2 years. It's been, oh my fucking god, it's almost like 4 years of consolidation. So gold will pump hard. Now we have to talk about like US oil. I'm pretty sure US oil will go to previous monthly high and take this equal highs, and then we will like reverse, like rebalance. But for now, I'm bullish on oil. If you want to open some swing like long position, this will be like this. Not the best entry, but it's safe. but we have equal lows here, so I wouldn't do it. Okay, so indexes. I'm super bearish on like indexes. You know me, I opened some short position on Google, and it almost hit my target. It will be like previous monthly low, my next target. This is like short I've been opening recently. For the next target for indexes, I'll expect some like bounce, and then previous weekly low will be next target, and takes this equal loss. The thing is, why we got reaction here, you have to look on futures on Nasdaq as well, because this low been taken on futures, but they haven't been taken on like spot, right? So you have to keep an eye like on two charts in the same time and see the difference. Same with gold, by the way. Same with gold. There are few things that I noticed on the gold, and it was like I had like few plays on the gold that had been based on like this difference between futures and like spot gold. What the final target will be like for indexes. We can turn pretty hard because we have like this last moment, small open weekly, till at least discount zone. So probably target will be around like 16,000. So we have a long way to go. So for first target will be this one, 9%. You can make a screenshot if you want to. Oh, привет, Илья, привет. So I will speak a bit in Russian. Если есть какие-то вопросы, если можно, задавай, пожалуйста, на русском, на английском, чтобы все понимали. Можешь задавать их по-русски, я отвечу на английском. И могу также на русском ответить. Okay, let's back to TA. So this is like will be our next target. If you can handle positions overnight and you don't need to pay like high fees for short position, I would open something like this. I would open position like this with this target. So 1 to 4 is like swing position, yeah, like something like this. Maybe till like this loss, and it will be like next target. This is like free play, you can use it. S&P 500, like same picture, like rebalance. Index RTY, it can go like up because we have still a room to grow. I'm still like learning about RTY, and I never traded it, but around like this area I said we will go like higher, and it's still like, and we still keep going up. And we had like range here. You see we had like 2 deviations, and if we will break this height, we'll keep going like further, right? So this is the range right now. One more tool that will help you to identify range. Yes, this one, you see it was range. So on RTY we probably will target this high. What else? This one. Oh my fucking god, this is kinda hard to identify. So right now it's a bullish, it's like uptrend, but until, no, this is already bearish. It's already bearish. We have like full absorption of this candle. Low 3.85. Let me see. Yeah, it's like almost. We'll see how it will, how weak will open. Okay, something like this. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask. I will be here for a few more minutes. If you want me to check like some shares or ask any questions, feel free to do it in the chat. By the way, this is link for our Discord channel. Where is it? This is link for our Discord channel. Let me see. Yeah, you can join. We have a free section. You can get like free calls. I'll have like paid section where we post like 90% of our trades. So our VIP very lucrative. We also have like the things that I've never seen on any Discord server so far. It goes like roadmap. This is our plans that we're planning to do. So we almost finished with our referral program, and we in next few days we will announce like prop firm passing service. But it's gonna be like only for like big accounts, like 50,000 and more. We also thinking about like some ways that people can receive VIP membership during activity in the chat. Yeah, Johnny, I will check it in a bit. Just engagement with another people in a chat, like you will be receiving some kind of coins, and by like collecting these coins you will be able to buy some membership, like some days or like hours of VIP membership. So it's kind of funny thing. Okay, GBP. I remember I've been shorting here. The problem is Japanese yen is very strong right now. They have really good economy. Like they had stagnation for like 30 years, and right now their economy just started like pumping after like 30 years of stagnation. But it's just like fundamental. All highs been taken. It's basically all-time high right now, if I'm not mistaken. No, it's not all-time high. Oh, we have room to grow. We have room to grow. This is gonna be like next target. But don't do this for Forex. For Forex, like because nobody will hold their like short positions since 2015. Like nobody, yeah, or like 2007 or something like this. It's the same that nobody held like positions since like 1985 on British pound, right? Nobody held like positions from here, but we got reaction, right? So it's just on a more like psychological level. Where the fuck is it? No, fuck, I lost. So just more psychological level. Okay, let's confirm this. It's a psychological level. On the weekly time frame, it's like uptrend, so it's a bullish trend. Until we break below this win, this one, it's a bullish on a daily time frame. So it's clearly we have uptrend, right? This is what we have. We have uptrend. Yeah, I will check it in a bit. We have uptrend on GBP, GPY. Okay, so we have to look for long position. Let's go like on 4 hours. What we have here? We have equal loss. This is first what I can see. Equal loss, right? By the way, this is still uptrend. And price got reaction out of this like fair value gap. This one. We got like nice reaction. So right now we're bearish. Let's go like on 1 hour. Yeah, I'm bearish because of this. Because of this. This one. So this is a bearish scenario. Till what zone can you short? This one. This trade is valid. Yeah. It's a really nice one. So to take all this liquidity. Let's go like 2 hours. It's been tested. 3 hours been tested. Like 4 hours been tested. So we still have this fair value gap. It has to be tested. You can extend it and almost like 1 to 2 trade. If you won't see like any reaction in this zone, this is like fair value gap. I'm looking for something else. Yeah, probably that's it. If you won't see like any reaction, target will be this equal loss. But I don't trade this pair and I don't know exactly like how it plays. I just don't know, because it seems that because in euro liquidity is everything, right? So equal lows, equal highs, just major swings are targets like for price. Here it's more based on fair value gaps, order blocks, breaker blocks, so like this kind of thing. So I would play this conservative and will open short position like this. I will set an alert right here and right here. So this play is not that bad, to be honest. Like really nice play. It was high win rate because we got like nice reaction. If you would have like just take your position on this candle like this specific in your target, and your stop would have been like this, like above this fair value gap, like this. It's 1 to 4 trade. Okay, SOX. Oh my fucking god. Start with monthly. Oh. It's a bit bearish, I would say. Jesus Christ. Jesus. Okay. Daily. Okay, let's go on the weekly. It's a downtrend. It's a clear downtrend. It will give it's still going lower until we break this high. It's a downtrend. So это пойдет вниз. Пока что. Пока вот мы этот high не пробьем. Let's go on the daily. But what we can see here, we might stuck into range like this. So I don't like this chart, by the way. There's not so much liquidity. It's not that technical. We also have equal lows here. So yeah, until this high is like breaking, I'm a bearish. Right now I wouldn't open like any position. What can happen? What can happen? Like two options. We might have SFP or something like this. So SFP, it's like when it's a fake breakout. So when we have like liquidity grab like this, and price will keep like going in the same direction. Yeah, I really don't like this chart. Like if you're talking like locally, it's clear downtrend. It's like downtrend. It's a downtrend. Until we break like this highs, it's just downtrend. But again, it can be range, right? It can be something like this. It just can be accumulation or like distribution. Depends on like where we're going. On high time frame, it's a downtrend, so why not? Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we have a Discord channel you can join. Also, we have like free trial if you want to open. If you want to try our like VIP membership, just like open like ticket. This is like how to get there. It's like step by step. And also in welcome message you can see if you want to try our VIP membership, just open the ticket. That's it. You don't need to pay for it. You don't need to do like anything. Just like ask. And if you had a great experience, you can just like buy it. Anyway, thanks for watching and have a great trading week. Bye.